And the double paradiddle. A double paradiddle, we're just adding an extra right, left, or left, right at the beginning. So it elongates, so we get 6 notes rather than 4. So it'd be great to phrase as 16th note triplets. Triplet, triplet, that kind of feel, just because of the amount of notes. Although of course you could phrase it as 16ths, you'd just be going across the beat each time. But yeah, so you're simply just playing right, left, right, left, right, right, then left, right, left, right, left, left. And that's a double paradiddle. And the double paradiddle